Hello, and welcome to today's lesson on small business accounting. Today, we're going to compare and contrast different and more popular platforms to find the best solution for you and your business. So there's a lot of accounting solutions. When I say bookkeeping or your accounting solution, most people go to QuickBooks. But I do want to let you know that there's more than just QuickBooks out there. So today we will cover the different platforms, about 8 leading platforms. There are so many out there, but I did want to give you an overview of them. Pricing, recommendations, why they work for some and not other types of businesses, and some niche solutions as well. So there are some key players we've all probably heard of, maybe you haven't. QuickBooks, at this time when I put together this presentation was around $30 a month, but it really depends on the features. And QuickBooks recently has increased and changed their features, so you may want to check that out. Xero, it is more seeing more of my global partners use Xero because of the multi-currency features. FreshBooks, I feel is a great tool. It's on the lower end. It's best for like service or small businesses just getting started. I've used Wave in the past. It's free. It's pretty much ideal for like that solo entrepreneur. Basic accounting has some basic features, but for free, it gives you a lot of bang for your buck, or not so much. Um, there are a lot of there's Zoho Books, Sage Business Cloud. You find that more in the EU and UK. Cashew is another option. ZipBooks. Like I said, there's countless solutions out there. So I do recommend that you look at all the features, look at your budget, what you're willing to pay, what you need to pay, what do you need. If you have an accountant or a bookkeeper on staff, check with them. Give them the opportunity to weigh in and give you solutions on what works best for your business needs and goals. So let's look at some of the price comparisons. Like I said, QuickBooks is the more popular one. Also, it seems to be the most expensive one. So you want to make sure that it's giving you what you want for the features, for the price that you're paying. So really do your due diligence and explore the different options that are out there. At this end of this video, I will definitely provide the link to this presentation that you can use at your leisure and dive deeper. And then I'm also available for any consultations where you want to go through these details in more depth. So, like I said, you want to look at value versus the cost. What are you getting? What are the features? Is it scalable? How many users you need? Um, all the features that it's giving you. So look deep into those packages. QuickBooks is definitely the best overall choice because of all the features, the customer service, the help features that they have. It can be expensive with all the additional add-ons. Like I said, it is. It just recently changed a lot of its packages and it increased a lot of its pricing. So you may want to reevaluate your situation and decide. But keep in mind that switching from one platform to another is also time consuming and can be costly. Xero is more specialized to international because of all the different currencies it offers. Um, Zoho is affordable, feature-rich, great for automations. It doesn't have as many integrations that some of the other providers have. but it is still a solution for some businesses. A lot of people haven't heard of. There's Ambrook. Ambrook is really tailored to that agricultural, small farmers market type, even some construction, manufacturing, because it puts together its solutions based on product lines or projects. So if you're a farmer and you have livestock, you have produce that you're selling at, all these different product lines, it does give you different options, but it also can be very costly. So keep in mind those features and what you need for your business. So like I said, it is AI powered. There's profitability tracking by location, by product lines. They have a mobile IRS tailored to those tax compliance. If you have tax questions, I always recommend reach out to your tax advisor or a tax consultant. Here are some additional pros and cons as well. It is tailored to more complex operations like farming and manufacturing. It does have higher price because it is a niche and it's tailoring to a specific clientele. So once you're ready to choose, make that solution. If you're looking for um, recommendations, I'm happy to consult with you. Also, I may even have some discount codes. So I'm always looking for recommendations. I love to hear what you like. Post your comments and be sure to like and share this with your colleagues. Thanks.